How's it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I have an awesome video for you guys because I'm gonna review an awesome product, and that is a smart mousepad for your iPad. Have you ever seen this? A smart mousepad for your iPad. This is truly amazing because this product has so many cool features that you don't even imagine. And you may be asking yourself and thinking, yeah, but why would I have a mousepad for my iPad? Because I don't even know if that works, if I can use a mouse with my iPad. But the thing is, with iPadOS 13, you actually can. In iPadOS 13, Apple enables mouse support for the iPad. And as you know, iPadOS will be released for the general public as a software update right now in mid-September. So maybe when you're watching this video, it will already be out. So you guys can take advantage of the mouse support and many other features that this smart mousepad will enable. And let's go ahead and talk about all of those awesome features. So let's go ahead and begin. Okay guys, so let's begin, and first of all let me show you the product itself. I have right here in front of me the mousepad with USB hub from Voamoco. Of course I'm gonna have the link in the description if you want to check out this awesome product. And let me show you what it's all about. So of course this is an aluminum, right, or aluminum depending on where in the world you are, mousepad, so it's super high quality. This is awesome on its own because the quality of this mousepad is already super cool. It's amazing because it's metal. It's not one of those flimsy plastic foams or things like that, or rubber. So this is very cool. But of course it has the smart feature, as I called, and that's the USB hub. So if you go ahead and flip it over, so flip it to the other side, you guys are gonna see here that it has a few ports. Right here you have your Ethernet port, you have 3 USB ports, normal USB, and then 2 SD card slots. One that's normal SD and the other one that's like micro SD, I'm sorry. That's why I have these items right here on the side. These are the items right here. So I have because these are the items I'm gonna use to demonstrate in this video, because I'm gonna connect all of these to this guy and then connect to my iPad Pro, and it's gonna work perfectly. You guys are gonna be amazed. So you're gonna connect this to your iPad Pro via this USB port right here. So as you guys can see, it is normal USB on the mousepad itself, and on the other end you can choose. We have 2 cables right here, 2 adapters. That's why I have them here. So you have the so on this end normal USB, and then on the other end you have normal USB as well if you want to connect this to a computer, to a laptop, to a MacBook, doesn't matter, to any computer that you want. Or you can use USB Type-C if you want to connect as well to a computer, to a laptop. But in this case we're going to use to connect to our iPad Pro, because the iPad Pro is USB Type-C. So this is going to be amazing. And of course on this other side right here I have this external hard drive. You guys are seeing it right here, normal USB. I have this thumb drive, normal USB thumb drive, and then I have the SD card, so the normal SD and the micro SD as well right here. And this is one of the awesome things about the iPadOS, because with iPadOS, Apple added support not only to mouse support, as I mentioned, but also to USB stick or a USB hard drive support. So you can actually connect this as an external storage and access it and do everything that you want. So let's go ahead and let me show you this in action. Okay guys, so as you can see I have my iPad Pro right here, and I have my mousepad from Voamoco already connected. As I just showed you before, USB on one end, USB-C on the other, they are already connected. And now let me show you all of its features. So first of all, of course, it is a mousepad. So I'm gonna have my mouse right here, my Bluetooth mouse, and as you can see, you can definitely see it, this cursor right here, it is working, it is fully functional, and then the sensitivity, the precision, everything is just so good. I can do absolutely anything I want using this awesome trackpad. I just love it. This really solves a lot of problems I've had, because I have, as you guys can see, this is a glass table, and then having this awesome mousepad that is like smart, it has so many features, is super amazing. Also, if you want to know how you can do this, how you can use your mouse and connect it to an iPad, to any iPad actually, and then use it as I'm using right now perfectly. I have a link. I'm gonna put a second link in the description, and I'm gonna put a card right here, so go ahead and have a look at that video to learn how you can do that, so then you can buy this bad boy right here and use for yourself. You gotta make sure you are on iPad OS, as I mentioned before. Okay, now let's go ahead and plug the other stuff we have. So we have the thumb drive, and then the hard drive and the SD discs. I'm gonna plug them in, all of them right here, and then I'm gonna be back just a second. So as you guys can see, I have quite a lot of devices connected at the same time. So not only I'm using the mouse, of course, but I have the USB stick, I have this USB hard drive, and then I have this SD drive right here. And the cool part is that you don't even need to remove the little micro USB and put it in. As I mentioned, this has 2 ports, but you can use straight away from your camera, for example. So then you can just stick it in and it works. And as you guys can see, it is already blinking, and also it is already working, as you guys just saw. And now let me show you that the iPad recognizes, of course, because that's the main point. And you guys can already see here on their devices, on their locations. So you can see I have this Samsung, which is the name of the hard drive itself. Time Machine is just because I have it partitioned. So this is my backup hard drive, so it's the same. New York, this is the thumb drive, as you guys are seeing right here, the little red one. And then I have the 32 gigabytes, which is the SD card. So then, as you guys can see, I have all my devices right here working simultaneously. They work great, they work perfect. I can just go ahead and open folders, take a look at what's inside, and then as you guys can see, here are some of my videos right there, videos and photos. So you can just navigate, do anything that you want. It works perfectly. Look at this. This is absolutely amazing. And actually, you can actually have 2 SD cards at the same time. I'm not showing you this right now because one of those is in this camera right here. But I'm gonna put a screenshot right now of both of those at the same time. So as you guys can see, I have 32 gigs and 32 gigs one, because both of them have the same name. So like amazing. You can connect like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 devices at the same time right here. Your iPad will recognize perfectly, and of course you can even have the Ethernet port right there. I'm just not showing you this right now because unfortunately I don't have it right here in the studio like an Ethernet cable, but this is super handy if your Wi-Fi is slow, and then you can just like plug it in, or maybe if you're traveling, and this is super common in hotel rooms, to have like an Ethernet cable lying around, so you just connect it and you have connection into your iPad, fast connection to your iPad. So that's pretty much it, guys. Like, I'm just amazed by this product. I just love it. I just received it and I'm already using it because this is amazing, and I recommend you guys to go ahead and check it out. Check out the link in the description because you're gonna love it. It is priced at $46.99, so it is not super cheap, but of course with all of those awesome features, the build quality and everything else, I can guarantee you this is definitely worth it. You won't live without it if you have like an iPad Pro or a MacBook or any device that doesn't have so many ports, and it just blends in so well because it looks so beautiful. So I would like to thank again Voamoco for sponsoring this video, because this video was only made because of them, and I just love to have this opportunity to collaborate with you guys. So that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys in a couple days. Bye bye.